Welcome back everyone. In this video we're going to see ABI encode and decode. So ABI encode is used to encode the data into bytes. So various data types will be encoded into bytes, and in the vice versa we can also take the bytes data and convert it back to the various data types according to the structure. So let's see how we can do this. So let's write two functions. So I will take the data that I'm going to encode, like an integer, a string, and an address. So I'll take this data and encode it. So in Solidity we have a variable ABI and it has a method called encode. So here we have to pass the values. So this will return the bytes. So we are going to return it back. Similarly, we can also decode by giving the bytes to the function and getting the data back. So decode function will take bytes. So this function is going to return this data. So here we need to decode the data and we have to pass bytes here. So this will return all this data and that we can return. So here we also have to provide the structure of this bytes. So here this is the structure. So here we don't need to mention return as we have already mentioned here. So let's compile and test. So let's first encode. I'm taking number 1. I'm taking address from here. And this is the bytes data. And we can decode this data to get what is in this data. So here, after decoding, we have got integer 1, string my name, and the address that we have supplied back. So this is how we can encode and decode data in Solidity.